After Hindenburg, it's George Soros-backed OCCRP. The group under scrutiny is again the ports-to-power conglomerate, the Adani Group. A recent revelation has garnered significant attention within the financial world. The Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project, abbreviated as OCCRP, has brought to light a complex financial situation involving the Adani Group. We present to you an overview of the key details surrounding this matter. The Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project has revealed that millions of dollars were funneled into publicly traded India's Adani Group stocks through opaque Mauritius fund. According to an article released on Thursday, these funds conceal the involvement of alleged business partners connected to the Adani family. The OCCRP has based its investigation on files from various tax havens and internal Adani Group emails. The investigation identifies instances where investors utilize offshore structures to buy and sell Adani stocks. This revelation follows allegation by a US-based short seller, Hindenburg Research, accusing the Adani Group of engaging in improper business practices, including using offshore entities in tax havens like Mauritius. Hindenburg Research has also claimed that certain offshore funds surreptitiously held stocks in Adani's listed companies. Adani Group refuted these claims, asserting that they have always operated within the boundaries of the law. Even as the Adani Group companies strongly refuted OCCRP's allegation, it did nothing to protect the stocks from coming under selling pressure. My colleague Saloni will take you through the stock reaction.
Even as the Adani Group companies strongly refuted OCCRP's allegations, it did nothing to protect the stocks from coming under selling pressure. All 10 Adani Group stocks declined, falling up to 5%. Shares of Adani Power, Adani Energy Solutions and Adani Green led the downside by dropping 4 to 5% each. The conglomerate's cash cow Adani Ports fell 3%, while the flagship entity Adani Enterprises declined 3.5%. The remaining 5 Adani stocks, namely Adani Wilmar, Adani Total Gas, ACC, Ambuja Cement and NDTV, were also trading with the negative bias. In response to OCCRP's findings, Adani Group called the allegations recycled and said the timing of these news reports is suspicious, mischievous and malicious. It said the Mauritius funds mentioned in the investigation were previously named in the Hindenburg report, and I quote, "These news reports appear to be yet another concerted bid by Soros-funded interests supported by a section of the foreign media to revive the meritless Hindenburg report. In fact, this was anticipated as was reported by the media last week," unquote, Adani Group said in a statement. The OCCRP report interestingly comes ahead of the Supreme Court hearing on the allegations made in the Hindenburg report. Earlier, the Hindenburg report, which made similar allegations, came just ahead of Adani Enterprises FPO.
The Supreme Court of India has earlier appointed a panel to oversee a regulatory probe based on the Hindenburg report. However, the panel's initial investigation did not yield substantial findings. A market regulator, SEBI, recently announced that its report was nearing completion. Some offshore deals under investigation were complicated due to entities in tax haven jurisdictions. Following the release of Hindenburg report, Adani Group stocks plummeted by $150 billion. While there has been a partial recovery in recent months due to debt repayment and restored investor confidence, the stocks remain down by approximately $100 billion. Interestingly, the OCCRP report disclosed the names of 2 individual investors. They are Nasser Ali Shaban Ali and Chang Chung Ling, who were involved in the investments investigated by the organization. These individuals were described as long-time business partners of the Adani family. While no direct evidence links their investment to the Adani family fund, the OCCRP research suggested coordination between their trading activities and the family's interests. The OCCRP report raised questions about whether Ali and Chang's action should be considered on the behalf of Adani's promoters, exceeding the limit of insider ownership. Chang, in an interview with the reporter from Guardian, denied knowledge of any secret purchases of Adani stocks. He questioned why journalists were not focusing on his other investments and emphasized the simplicity of his business ventures. The allegations, counterclaims, and regulatory measures underscored the situation's complexity. We will diligently monitor the developments and provide you with the latest insights. So stay tuned to the Economic Times.